pay taxes and insurance. So I just did like, okay, I told her I would do it. And I knew she didn't want it, so I just offered $5,000 for it. And at first she didn't really like it, but she thought about it and she just said, screw it. She sold it to me for $5,000. But she did tell me the guy was 88 and had emphysema. So, but once I actually bought it, because he wouldn't let me come in the house, but once I actually bought it, I found out he was only 78. He wasn't in the world's greatest health, but he was a really famous guy over in Hampton for playing the piano. Because once I bought the house, the museum came and picked up the piano out of the house. But anyway, he would never let me come in the house because he felt like it was his house and somehow I was trying to steal it from him. But so, maybe after a few years of paying city taxes in Hampton and paying home insurance, there has been times in my mind like, oh my God, did I make a mistake? My wife might be bitching a little bit every time she makes the bill. What if this guy lives to be 100? I got to pay all these taxes and all this. So, but anyway, this past year, the family sent me a letter and said they wanted to sign the house back over to me. He didn't pass away, but they put him in a nursing home. So they signed the rights back over to me. We put $60,000 in the house. And we sold it the very first day we put it on the market for $216, and that's why I said we netted $138 on it.
Yes,
sure it's enough.
And I got to give government their share, so. But
not right away.
Yeah. So yeah, it was actually a good deal. So I took a little gamble. I wouldn't do it over again in a second for that price. But
yeah.
Who wouldn't do that?
But there's there's all sorts of crazy deals out there, and you never know what you might run across. So
Creative.
yeah,
That was awesome.
And what was it called? Lifetime occupancy?
Life estate.
just
Life
a life
estate.
estate.
Yeah.